What are you doing? Come here, pretty girl. Ella, what's Mommy got? What's over here? Ella, what's over here? Oh, your Daniel's shirt? Careful. Say hi. Where's your lobster? Ella. Why don't you sit in your chair, Peanut? Come here. Come here. Ella Rose. Ella. What's this? What does Mommy have?